The next function to look is our minimum function. Minimum function. Minimum function is used to return the smallest number in a given array of number or given set of values. You have numbers and you want to spotlight the minimum value across. This is when you introduce your minimum function. And this is also simple to achieve. Come to the cell you want to return the minimum. Click on your equals to sign and type your minimum. Double click and select all the arrays of number that you want to pick the minimum from and click on your enter. So from here we can see that the minimum value we have over here is 45. Let's spotlight something here. Home, conditional formatting, top, bottom, 1, and OK. We can see that this is the bottom and this is the minimum. They will always give us the same value. So the same thing applies over here. Do repeat the same process, and this is the way to actually always calculate our minimum. And with this, we can see our minimum across board. Next, we will be looking at how to calculate our maximum. It follows the same principle with the minimum, just different formula. Press your max and then double click and highlight your cells, and then voila, 99 is the maximum. To confirm, you can repeat the same thing with your conditional formatting. Top 10 item, top 1 item, green, and then OK. And we can see that the highest number over there is 99. And definitely we can repeat the same thing over here. 99 again, and we can also copy the formula over here. Here is 90, so this is 99 and this is 90. And with this, we have learned how to use our minimum and our maximum.